Welcome to another Talk Tech. October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and this month we will be focusing on cybersecurity tips. Today we are going to learn how to spot fake emails. So here you will see an email from our HR department. Looks legit. However, the first thing that you should always do is look at the email address. Even if the name looks correct, hover over, or as you can see right here, the actual email address, which is support@humanresources-mailer.com. That does not sound like this is coming from our company, so that is one red flag that we notice. When you read this email, you will notice that it is saying that the existing dress code has some violations and that we need to click this button that says view and acknowledge the policy. You will also notice that it says to complete this as soon as possible. Most fake or malicious emails will have some type of urgency, like as soon as possible, or turn this in right away, or download this now. Never do what it says. Always ask the potential sender if this is coming from someone, for example, our HR department. I would need to go and ask them specifically if this is an email that they sent. First, look at the sender. See if it is some type of urgency and make sure it's actually coming from who it says it is. As always, if it seems to be a malicious email or it's fake, report it right away.